Your home's electrical wiring creates invisible magnetic fields at 50 hertz, the same frequency that powers everything from your refrigerator to your laptop charger. Now, scientists have discovered something troubling about this everyday exposure. A new study from Chinese researchers shows that 50 hertz magnetic fields can directly damage DNA in human lung cells. But here's what makes this research particularly significant. They identified the exact cellular pathway responsible for this genetic breakdown. The research team, led by Dr. Sun and colleagues, exposed senescent human fetal lung fibroblasts to 50 hertz magnetic fields at various intensities. These are aging cells that have stopped dividing, similar to what happens in your body as you get older. What they found was striking. The magnetic field exposure activated something called the mitochondrial permeability transition pore, or mPTP. Think of this as a doorway in your cellular powerhouses that normally stays closed. When this pore opens inappropriately, it triggers a cascade of cellular damage. The mitochondria, your cell's energy factories, become dysfunctional. Calcium levels spike inside the cell, and most importantly, DNA begins to break down. The researchers measured specific markers of DNA damage and found significant increases after magnetic field exposure. This wasn't subtle cellular stress, this was measurable genetic breakdown happening in real time. So, what does this mean for you? 50 hertz magnetic fields are everywhere in your home. They emanate from your electrical panel, your wiring in the walls, and any device plugged into an outlet. The intensity decreases with distance, but the exposure is essentially constant. This study adds to a growing body of evidence about power-frequency magnetic fields and DNA damage. In our research database at Shield Your Body, we've cataloged 925 studies on DNA and genetic damage from electromagnetic fields. Nearly 74% of these studies found biological effects. The pattern is remarkably consistent across different research teams and methodologies. EMF exposure increases DNA strand breaks, disrupts cellular repair mechanisms, and can trigger chromosomal aberrations. What's particularly concerning about this latest research is that it identifies a specific biological pathway, the mPTP-associated mitochondrial dysfunction. This gives us insight into how electromagnetic fields might contribute to cellular aging and disease processes. As I explore in my book, Empowered, DNA damage is often where many health problems begin. When your cells can't properly maintain and repair their genetic code, you're looking at the foundation for cancer, accelerated aging, and cellular dysfunction. So what can you do about this? First, understand that distance is your friend with magnetic fields. They drop off rapidly as you move away from electrical sources. Keep your bed at least 3 feet from electrical panels and major appliances. Second, consider the cumulative nature of this exposure. While you can't eliminate 50 hertz fields entirely, you can reduce your overall electromagnetic burden by minimizing unnecessary wireless device use and creating lower EMF spaces in your home. Third, support your cellular repair mechanisms. The research suggests that aging cells are particularly vulnerable to this type of damage. Maintaining good mitochondrial health through proper nutrition and reducing oxidative stress may help your cells better handle electromagnetic exposures. The science is clear. Electromagnetic fields can damage DNA through specific biological pathways. Understanding this research empowers you to make informed decisions about your daily exposures. Find the full study and hundreds more at shieldyourbody.com/research.